Tyree, you gutter rat. Bro, you are pathetic. Bro, you are pathetic to the highest point of pathetic you can be. You literally came on here, YouTube again, running your mouth, talking about you go catch bodies, you ain't no joke, y'all better recognize, cause I ain't playing around, I'm from the mob, try to see me, come see me, try to see me, in your life, in your life, and then at the same time trying to say you go end people's lives, I'm gonna take you to court. So which one is it? Jerk off? Are you gonna take us to court, or are you gonna end our lives? Jerk off. You gotta do one or the other. You can't say you gonna be a bad dude and say you in the mob and you gonna take us out, but then in the same breath talking about I'm gonna take you to court. I got enough to take you to court. I got enough to take you to court and go to jail for a long time. You will be the only one going to jail because you're the only one say I'm taking people's lives and I'm from the mob and we don't play around. We end people's lives. You are the idiot that said that. Nobody else. Nobody else. But you. Tyree the loser. Bro, you are so pathetic that people will start making that other bum, van life bum, look great. Because you on here crying about him getting donations. 2 homeless bums crying about not having money, crying about it ain't fair, but neither one of y'all bums will get a legit job. And that van life dude, he should be ashamed of himself. How you just go flat out just lose your dignity and just start begging for money? What kind of man is that? That is no man. I was brought up, a man work, a wife work, and y'all take care of the house. Or, we're going to go even back further, the man work and the woman stay in the house, make sure that house gets kept up. Nowadays, as we all can see, we got bums like you, gutter rat, sneeze, and the other bum, homeless guy, literally praising himself on having friends that feel pity on him and give him money. He is literally happy to do that. And bro, I'm not kidding, man. I have never seen that in my life. A grown man and a grown woman begging for donations. Then you got a gutter rat loser claimed to be a millionaire begging and mad because another bum is getting donations and he is jealous of another dude begging for $1. What is this world coming to? A 30-year-old man and a whatever old other dude is, probably in his 50s, begging for money. And then got the nerve to get mad about it if nobody donate to him. And then you gutter rat sneeze, get on here running your mouth and this and talking about y'all need to show sympathy and all this. How about this, you mother effer? Did you show any sympathy for that lady that had cancer? Oh, what was her exact words? If you don't help me, I ain't helping you. Even though you're sorry, worthless human, couldn't get your way out of a paper bag, let alone cure cancer. Get the F out of here, man. Got the nerve to be begging for donations, then go get mad and throw a little tender tantrum and think because you went outside and smoked a cigarette and came back in, everybody gonna be like, oh, we ain't hear the other stuff. Not at all. We ain't hear none of that. And they gonna say, I'm a good. You're not. And another thing, bro, you're not a good person. Call it what it is, bro. You're not a good person. You never will be a good person because you are a weasel dirtbag. You say and do whatever is going to get you in the door to get what you want. That's all you are. That's all you do. And you know what? Stop with the YouTube crap, bro. You are a loser. They don't want nothing to do with you. You are pathetic of a man. You're pathetic of a human. So stop trying to say stuff about YouTube because they ain't doing that for you. You'll tell them you go sue them if they don't monetize you and they don't do this or do that for you. You go sue them. Oh yeah, they gonna hurry up and do it for you. They say, oh God, gutter rat, this threaten us, and you know when he get to threaten, it is over. He's gonna get us. We better hurry up and monetize him. You dumb. When the F you think that's ever gonna work? And another thing, why do you think you gonna make good money? Why do you think you can make good money on YouTube? Bro, you are a nobody. You're a nobody. You're a bona fide nobody. Bro, you gotta come to the realization you are a nobody. Nobody respect you. Nobody. Because you're soft. You soft as butter cakes. I didn't see butter stay harder than you. You are a bona fide loser. You, bro. And this is no exaggeration. I have never seen a pussified man like you in my life, bro. And I have a couple of cousins that run their mouth like no tomorrow, but when it's time to fight, couldn't beat up a pillow. But you went from being, oh, I'm from the streets, I'm from the hood, I got blocks, son. I done took over blocks, son. To now, oh, I'm in the mob now. You ain't go, I'm in the mob now. You in the mob, so now we better be fearful for our holy souls, because Tyree now has put on his mob face now. He put on his mob character now. You know, he's a mob. You're a mob dude now. Watch. Next time you're gonna be like, you know, John Gotti came to me asking me to give him advice, you know? That's how I roll, you know? I'm from the mob, you know? Now you could be wearing you could be wearing suits and stuff now, because you know you're rocking your do rags, you see what else you rocked. You know, your sayings, you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? You know what I mean, Tyree? Huh? You know what I mean? So, once again, bro, stop with the crying crap. Because you know what? Nobody want to hear it. Nobody's going to hear it. And everybody goes keep riding your sorry self. Because you know what? We all know you didn't get that lady that cancer lady no sorries or no forgiveness or no. And you know, bro, how you go mother effing tell people to say sorry to you and feel sorry for you? How you do that? Who does that? Who does that, bro? You are pathetic. You will always be pathetic. And it's like you 5 minutes, you tougher than, man, you tougher than John Gotti and Frank Lucas and all them right there one. You the gangster of gangsters, bro. Son, you the gangster, son. Remember that, bro. You know what I mean? So cut it out for all this sympathy crap. You ain't getting it. You never will get it. So man up and stop acting like all your injuries is just over the top, worse than everybody else's put together. You know, so this word of advice: try to be a man once or twice in your life. Okay, try to be a man once. Tell you, once you try being a man, bro, it helps, man. You gotta embrace it. You know, embrace it. Embrace trying to be a man. I know it's hard for you. It's very hard for you to try to be a man. I get it, bro. But you said you do. You the greatest. Remember? You said, and I quote, "I'm the greatest." You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, man? You said it. You said Tyree is the Messiah of Messiahs. Remember you said it to me? You said Tyree is the Messiah of Messiahs. And you said God is the devil and the truth is right in front of you, and y'all ain't trying to understand it because we're all dumb. Remember that, Tyree? But I mean, maybe we might be just a tad bit less dumb than you because you're still asking for donations from all the people that's beneath you. So I'm gonna leave like this, bro. You're not gonna ever get sympathy from me or anybody else that can't stand you much as I do. So once again, bro, I'm going to see you. I will be taking the trash out. Trust me.